Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. I am Raji Ramkrishnan. Today I am going to make dal rice. This is Coimbatore special dal rice. In this we use the Lima beans, butter beans. Here I have taken quarter cup of that, soaked in water, peeled and kept it here. Here it is half cup of boiled rice soaked for 1 hour. Around 100 grams of shallots, that is Madras onion. For tempering, I have taken a small bit of tej patta, 2 cloves and small piece of dalchini. We need red chili and green chili, little bit of chopped ginger, half tomato chopped, and cumin seeds. Here I have taken some cumin seeds and garlic cloves and curry leaves. This we have to crush it. Now few curry leaves here. Oil, the oil whichever oil you are using at home. Salt, and we need a turmeric powder also. So the pot is hot. I will add around 2 tablespoons of oil in it. The kada masala, mustard seeds. When it splutter, we'll add the cumin seeds. Now we'll add the shallots. After adding the shallots, we have to saute this for a few minutes. The shallots give a good taste in this rice. There is no other masala we are using like sambar powder or chili powder. The spice comes from the red chili and the green chili added to it. So accordingly you add it. We need less spice. So I have taken only 1 green chili and 1 red chili. After sauteing this, now we'll add the tomato in it, curry leaves, and little bit of salt for the onion and tomato. We'll add the turmeric powder also in it. Cook till the tomato is mushy. At this stage we will add the green chili and the red chili. Green chili I have just made a slit and then adding it, and the ginger also. Give a good mix and cook this till the tomato is mushy. Now we will add little water in this, around 3/4 cup of water. Bring this to boil and then we will add the lima beans in it. Now this has come to a boil. Now I am adding the lima beans in it. And we'll cover and cook this till it is half done. When you press it, it should break it. So cover and cook this. It's breaking. Now we will add the rice into it. And here I have kept hot water. I'm adding the hot water in it. For half cup of rice I have taken 1.5 cup water, and for the lima beans 3/4 cup water. Cook this in medium flame. We'll add some more salt in it. Salt for the rice. Here I have taken a few bits of coconut pieces. That also we'll add into this. It will give a crunchy feeling while eating. Now this is the crushed garlic, cumin seeds and the curry leaves. This will give a good flavor to this. After cooking, when the water is almost evaporated, if you put banana leaves on top of it and cover and cook till the water is evaporated, it will give a good flavor. If you don't have, don't bother. Now if you don't get lima beans, you can use tur dal. Cook in medium flame, cover it like this. Little bit of space should be there here. Don't cover completely. If you don't have boiled rice, you can use the normal rice also. And if you are keeping it in pressure cooker, water you adjust according to the requirement, because the kind of rice you use, the water requirement also will differ. So I cannot exactly say how much water you have to add to it. So according to the requirement of the rice you are cooking, you add the water. If you add sambar masala in it, it will give you a sambar taste rice. This is a different kind of rice. This can be served along with any kind of raita, pickle, then fries, or you have papad. Let us check now. The rice is not cooked. You take the small grain rice, boiled rice. So this is a little bit bigger in size. That's why it is taking time. So I'll have to add little more water. The water is hot here. Another half cup of water I am adding. Now we'll completely cover this and cook it. Now we'll add the crushed garlic, cumin and curry leaves in it. The coconut pieces. Give a good mix. And now this is sufficient. to cook the rice fully. Now we will cover it and cook it till the water is completely dried up. This is cooked nicely. Now at this stage you can add chopped coriander leaves. You switch off the gas. The Lima beans rice, that is the Kobe special rice, is ready here. I'm serving this with pickle. You can garnish with coriander leaves. You can also add the grated coconut instead of the bits. And instead of Lima beans, you can also use turu dal. The rice is ready here to serve. I'm serving it along with tomato, raita and pickle, lime pickle. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.